The Industrial 4.0 revolution has been gained. Are you ready to chance and accept the new challenge? Skill talents for your company to achieve Industry 4.0. Industry Revolution Journey. Through the Internet of Things, Internet, Big Data, Cloud System Integration, to create innovative technologies such as digitalization, automation and artificial intelligence to improve the production line in the manufacturing industry. Diploma in Digitalization, Manufacturing Automation Program, accredited by UK Highfield Qualification. First vocational Diploma in Digitalization, Manufacturing Automation Program in Malaysia. VTAR Institute will launch an innovative Diploma in Digitalization program corresponding to global trend and preparing for Industry 4.0. Technical skill can become expertise.